Here we will write a Python program to print Fibonacci series using recursion. So in comment line we will write. First we will define a function Fibonacci. So with def keyword we will write Fibonacci with one parameter, that is n, which is the number up to which we are going to print the Fibonacci series. Then we will check if n equal to 0, we will return 0. Else we will check if n equal to 1, we will return 1. And else we will call the Fibonacci function itself as a recursion. So else we will return Fibonacci, that is the function that we have written, and we will pass n minus 1 as a parameter, and plus we will again call the Fibonacci function, and here we will pass n minus 2 as a parameter. Then outside the function we will accept value of n, that is up to which we are going to print the Fibonacci series. So n equal to int input enter number, then we will print Fibonacci series up to, and we will print n. Then we will use for loop for calling the Fibonacci function recursively. So for I in range 0, n, we will call the function Fibonacci. Since in this function we are returning the value, we will call this function in print statement. So print Fibonacci, and we will pass I as a parameter. Then we will execute this. I will give number as a 5. It will print Fibonacci series up to 5. If we want to print this on a single line, we will use here end statement. So end, and we will give separator as a space. And if we execute, I will give number 5. It will print Fibonacci series up to 5 as 0, 1, 1, 2, 3.